Good morning, peer structure traders and YouTube for another morning market analysis. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Give you some of the levels that we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. Again, if you guys do trade the London session, make sure you look out for the London session market analysis videos as well. Definitely helpful for trading the London session. And also we have tutorial videos up here too that we put up each week. That way you guys can learn a little bit more about trading as well. So make sure you guys check those out as well. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, a couple things we did have nice support that came in right around these 47.74 25s, and then we pushed up a little bit higher after that double bottom, found support right off of these 47.81s, and then continued up above these 91s. You can see we're as high, we got as high as somewhere right around these 97s. Yep, 97, 47.97, and then we're slowly pulling back a little bit. 47.91 seems to be a little bit of a micro support for me. So we'll see if we hold this area here and continue this bullish run. That could be a good opportunity. If not, it may even come just a little bit deeper right off of this peak. So just keep an eye out for that 87.50. More of a area of support for me that I like to see is going to be somewhere around these 47.81s. The market pulling back into this area here and then finding the support would be a good idea for me. A little bit more of an exhaustive area. And if not there, next level down below is going to be those 47.74.25s as the next area of support. So just keep that in mind. Those are the two areas of support that we're looking, kind of a zone right there. But again, we could have a micro area that we seem to be holding right here off of 47.91. So that also could be an area that's going to be the bullish continuation opportunities. Underneath 74.25 is 47.64. Definitely, if we get below that area, you could see the market start to continue to drop off right back down into 47.15 where we came from. So just keep that in mind. But I do think we want to try to hit into 4,800 and maybe go a little bit higher. So those could be some opportunities there on S&P 500. For the shorts, again, I'm probably going to look for the short right around 47.64 once we get underneath that area and hold resistance. Then I'll look for an opportunity short for the continuation. So we'll keep that in mind for S&P 500 as we draw closer into the US session open. Moving over into gold, you can see the opportunities for gold. We did find the support right around 1810, and then we continued higher through our resistances of 1815.4, and you can see nice 1, 2, and 3 touches and the continuation up. So want to see if we get a pullback. If we do, maybe right around this area, 15.4 to about 13.3. If we hold it, then you can get the continuational move to the upside. That's going to be my supports. Next level underneath for support 1810 again is going to be another area we could potentially look for that support to happen here as well and the continuation up. If we get below this area 1810, 1804.4 and then 1797.8 are the next levels down. So just keep that in mind for those who want the short opportunity. For me, it's probably going to be underneath these 1810s for a short and continuation down from that level. So other than that, I'm probably not going to be looking for too much shorts in this bullish run. So just keep that in mind as we draw into the US session open as well for gold. Moving over into crude oil. Crude oil, looking for this market to retest this resistance again, 76.82, and then maybe get a nice fade opportunity if we can't break it. If we get another touch here and we don't break that, that's going to be a good fade opportunity for me, coming right back down into this 75.92. So we'll see if we get there and we hold that support. That could definitely be another good opportunity of a bounce and a long continuation. You can see over the London session, we did push up through and get right into our measured area. So it was good opportunities for the London session. But again, I want to see a pullback deeper, getting back down into these 85.92s. You could get a micro support that happens somewhere around these 76.20s. So just keep an eye out for that level as well. Coming right in here, this could be an area where the market bounces and continues as well. Underneath 75.92, next level down 75.50 as support underneath. So that could also be the level that we hold support. Now, if we get underneath this area here, 75.50, then you could definitely look for some short opportunities underneath coming all the way back down. You can see a lot of area that you could fall back down to somewhere right around these 73.67. So just keep that in mind. That could be a good short if we hold resistance underneath this area here. But again, holding support at 75.92 could be also the bounce of support that we want to see for the continuation of the bull run. So right now, a little bit of a tougher area. Rather get that pullback into the exhaustive areas and then look for the continuation of the bull trend for oil, crude oil. But that wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. Make sure you guys check out the London market analysis videos if you guys do trade the London session, and also check out the tutorial videos as well if you want to learn a little bit more about trading as well. Other than that, if you guys are going to be with us in the room, we will see you guys there at the open. And if not, make sure you guys trade with discipline and patience. Have a great trading day. Take care.